Currently in San Pedro
Sunken City.
at the Sunken City. So we just got our DJI Mavic Air. We're gonna test it out here.
What up?
Disclaimer, this will be my first time using a drone. So I don't know if I'm gonna royally mess this up. Just arrived at the Korean Bell of Friendship, and it's a place Angelique's never visited before, so she's excited. Clearly I suck at drone flying. We'll be in Mexico next weekend, so I'm hoping to get really good footage out there, and we'll be in Bali in 2 weeks actually, so that's gonna be epic. Oh, by the way, I never introduced Tori. This is Angelique's younger sister, one of two.
In Princeton.
And Princeton is her child.
Crazy child.